100% tax rate but zero revenue for the government? What does this mean? Isn't it very shocking? As you've seen in the thumbnail, there is this concept called the Laffer Curve, which is used to describe this particular phenomena. So let's look at this particular curve. Welcome to iXambi. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video on this series of concepts पढ़ाएंगे सबको सिखाएंगे. So Laffer curve. Laffer curve is an inverted U-shaped graph which was developed by the economist Arthur Laffer, and it shows a relationship between the tax rates which the government is imposing and the amount of tax revenue that is collected by the government. So it suggests that as the tax rate increases, the tax revenue will increase only up to a certain amount, and after that it will start decreasing. Because high tax rate, what they do is that they discouraged taxed activities. Like people would want to work less and invest less because they feel that all of which the amount that they earn will go to the government. This is the graphical representation of the Laffer curve. As the tax rate increases, the tax revenue goes on increasing, and it increases up to a certain point, and after that it starts falling. The inverted U-shaped graph. This means that there are two extreme points in the Laffer curve. One is the 0% tax rate and the 100% tax rate. At both these extreme points, the tax revenue that is generated is zero. Because at 0% tax rate, there will be no tax revenue because no tax is imposed, so no revenue. But at 100% tax rate, when all of the amount is being taxed, people would choose not to work because everything they earned would go to the government. So that's why 100% tax rate can mean zero revenue for the government. So there is an optimum point which lies between the 0% tax rate and the 100% tax rate range where the tax revenue is maximum. That point is called the R max, and that is known as the optimum tax rate. Any rate which is higher or lower than that will lower the tax revenue. If government wants to increase the tax revenue, then it will choose that particular optimum tax rate only, because at any point to the left or to the right of that particular tax rate, the revenue will decrease. However, this particular Laffer curve is drawn on certain assumptions. It assumes a single tax rate, and the behavior of businesses and individuals are assumed also to be constant. So this is one of the criticism of the Laffer curve theory, which was given by Arthur Laffer. And the critics who are against this theory, they say that it is assuming only a single tax rate while plotting this graph, and the behavior of the businesses and individuals are also assumed here. That's why you get this kind of a relationship, otherwise it may not hold. So I hope you like this video. Prepare 50% faster with iXambi. You can subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. For any further guidance, you can call on this number, or you can also email at this particular email ID.